Access Data Engine hoovers up all of the data from your workspace products, including expense of course, and it enables the creation of interactive dashboards that provide visibility of the data to your workspace users. There are standard dashboards available from day one for all of our products. Here's an example for expense. The dashboards contain metrics such as these four across the top, as well as interactive charts and tables of data. This gives a high-level picture to the user or general trends, but the underlying cause of any anomalies may only be found by digging deeper under the surface via the ability to drill down and interrogate the data. There is, of course, full control around which users can access the dashboard, as well as the data that is shown when they are being viewed. For instance, a line manager will only see expense data for their team, but an expense administrator will see the full picture. And as part of the onboarding process, you will receive full training to enable you to create your own dashboard specific to your organization's key performance indicators. But it doesn't stop there. As well as being able to produce dashboards relating to the Access products, the data engine can hold data from any third-party database, potentially fed via an Excel spreadsheet or a direct feed via an API for full automation. This enables the creation of blended dashboards with near real-time data from all of your key business systems, not just your Access products. We're looking at a few examples of the types of dashboards you might present to your workspace users.